Maddie and Brian. Maddie and Brian, best friends. Best friends forever, ever. Go everywhere together. Go everywhere together. It's Maddie and Brian. Maddie and Brian, best friends forever. They have push bikes. Push bikes. It's Maddie and Brian moving into a caravan. Moving into a caravan. They have a cat named Alan the cat. Alan the cat. It's Maddie and Brian, best friends forever. Maddie and Brian, best friends forever. Go everywhere together, and they're push bikes. Moving into caravan. Have a cat named Alan the cat. 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 Alan the cat.